epinephrine or epinephrine, yung mga yun, mga catecholamines yun. So, saan ka sa catecholamines, essential for growth, development and fertility, for following tasks, education, basal metabolic rate. That is the reason why, if you have hypersecretion of thyroid gland, magiging payat ka because you will have an increased metabolic rate. Now, if you have decrease in the level or decrease level of thyroid hormone, anong nangyari? Tataba ka kasi babagal yung metabolism mo. Yan yun.
Sa'yo.
Okay? Kahit ano gawin mo kung payat na taba ka kasi you have a decreased level of your thyroid hormone.
Alam mo na.
Another important
Tama-tama.
about the thyroid blood supply, the arterial supply, the nerve supply, the recurrent laryngeal nerve. Kasi itong nerve na to are commonly damaged during surgery. Kapag yung right nerve na yung recurrent laryngeal nerve, anong nangyari sa pasyente? Magkakaroon ng hoarseness of voice, hindi totally cut, hindi makapagsalita.
Pipe.
So disorder, remember, enlargement of the thyroid gland regardless of its cause, that is goiter. Basta lumaki pwedeng hyperthyroid, pwedeng hypothyroid, basta lumaki yung goiter mo, yung thyroid gland mo, that's goiter. Now, if you have hyperfunctioning, that is hyperthyroidism, meaning you have increased thyroid hormone, the difference of T4, your PSH is decreased. Bakit decreased? Kasi meron kang enough T3 and T4. So, ano gagawin yung pituitary gland? Mag-stop siya ng production ng PSH.